welcome back. I can't wait to do this again. Okay, now let's get started. First, we're going to do this very beautiful, it's like this white color. This white, it's sparkly. We're just gonna take a few dabs of that, make sure you have enough on. And then carefully at the tippy edge. Okay, now we're going to move on this like tealish blue sparkly color right here. And if you need, you can go over back on the white. The white go back over, and let's just take a little more and just a little more on. If you get a mistake and you put like some over here and some over here, find something to wipe it off with. Okay, now if you do have room, you can take this like, it's like kind of like a dark blue right here, and we are going to put it like somewhere like down the edge right here. And let's just take a few swipes of that, and then we're going to take this blue and we're gonna go, and if we can, get a cool color. Now as you see, we're using like a few cool colors. So you have a cool palette, just grab that. I got my unicorn palette here. And we're just gonna dip that right there. If it is easier, you can open your eyes. Maybe easier, maybe harder. And we're almost done. We want it to be just a little dark. Okay, now we can go on to the lipstick. Okay, now today's color is Extra Strawberry and Cream. And I'm gonna give you a few tips about it. So here, you want to take here and you want to just swipe. And here's one more tip. You don't want to do it like this. You shouldn't do that. You want to do it here. That. Okay. And if you want to, you can do this on your left hand, and you always want to do it. And so I'm just going to swipe. Oh, I did something wrong. We're gonna do it this way. Now just a little more left to go. No, you wanna kinda go like this. On this side. And that's it. I hope you all have a great day. And if you need to, you can restart the video. And make sure to subscribe, you can share, and all sorts of stuff. You can make sure you comment and you share. Have a nice day.